Alright, I got another video for you guys showing you guys how to program a new key. I'm in my BMW. This is BMW 335i. This will work for the older model BMWs. I think it's like 2007 and 6 and up, and a couple other models, the ones that use this key. So basically, I'm going to program this key in. As you can see, I'm going to put it in the slot. And it's going to show that it's not programmed. Okay, so I'm going to put this one to the side. This is the one I'm going to be programming in. This is the one that does work. This is the factory key. As you can see, when I put it in there, it comes on, the dash comes on. All right, let me turn the light back on. It turned off. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys the process. This is connected to the internet. It has to be connected to the internet, to the hotspot on my phone. So basically, I have the hotspot on my phone. So you go to that, you go to BMW, and this is the XP400. So I'm going to be using this tool. Automatic selection didn't work for some reason. I don't know. So I'm going to go to smart selection. So with smart selection, it's going to automatically scan the system. Okay. Pulled up everything. It's a CAS 3 Plus. Just adding a key. Okay, so now it's set. It's a reading room. Takes about a minute. Okay, remove the key from the ignition. If it is a smart key, please take the key and please be sure the operator is required. Otherwise, this may take the vehicle, make the vehicle abnormal. It is a vehicle to read out the information. Please try and clear the DTC. Make back to normal status. Okay, so there's no key in the ignition. So, like I said, it's the factory key. This is the new one. It's a semi-smart key. Okay, so it's connecting to the internet again. Yes, I'm backing up the original key data. This is in case it goes corrupt. So I saved it, backed it up. So then these are showing all the keys, slots that are available. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in 9. It's available. So the CAS part number version needs a working key to learn. Keys, connect the device to the program and put the working key into the program. So I'm going to take the working key and put it in the slot in the programmer. Okay, then I'm going to hit OK. So now it's reading the key's information. This will start blinking. It's reading the key's data. Okay. Says the key information was read successfully. Please proceed to the next step. Okay, so you press OK. Okay, so it's a semi-smart key because it goes into the slot here. Okay, please connect the device programmer and put the new key in the programmer. So I got to take this key out and put the new key in. This is the new key that I'm going to be putting in. So I'll put it head down first into the programmer and then press OK. This key needs to be pre-processed. Okay, so pre-process it. That's what it's doing now. It's blinking. It's processing the key. Please wait. Key processing is successful. Okay, so you press OK. Now it's writing the key. It's making the key right now. Succeeding in generating dealer key. Please insert the key into the ignition and switch to start the car. Okay, so I'll take this out, put it in the slot, hit the brake, and start the car. It's good to go. And the light went off on the dash. See, now it's enabled. And good to go. Second key with the new one. Now I have a new key. And when you program the key, it programs the lock and unlock buttons and everything. So I'm going to show you guys. The dashboard is going to blink when I hit the unlock. Lock. You hear the doors lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. And then the trunk pop works too, or whatever. And now I just got to cut the emergency key. And that's about it. Good to go. Got a second key. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. That's how you make a BMW key.